and today I'm going to talk about the Desert Mist Diffuser. So you just got your Desert Mist Diffuser, and then you're wondering what to do with this. So this part comes right off, and then you take off the triangle part, and then you just kind of see this. So there's a fill line, just about right there. Right there. Alright, and you're going to fill that with water. So I have some distilled water here, and I'm just going to fill it up to the fill line. Alright, and then all you have to do is pick an essential oil. That's the hard part. I think I'm going to pick Northern Lights Black Spruce, which comes in the bottom of your starter kit, as I haven't diffused this one yet. So take your essential oil, I just put 4 drops in. You can put as many as you like. One, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that smells so good. That woody scent. Anyway. And then you're gonna put your cover back on. And then put this cover back on. Then you're gonna plug it into the wall, which I already did. And then you're gonna hit the power button. And the power button gives you a couple different streams. So there's this one, another one, and then off. I'm just going to turn it back on. And then with the Desert Mist Diffuser, you have bright white light, dim white light, candle flicker. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, candle flicker. And then this setting rotates colors, so it goes red, then it turns orange, and then it goes yellow, and then it goes green. Oh, you can't see the green, okay. Green, it goes blue, and then turns into purple. No, purple, then blue. Yeah. Okay, now it's blue. Now it's pink. And then it goes back to red. Okay. And then if you click it again, well, that one smells really good. Okay, if you click it again, it's going to go red, solid, orange, solid, yellow, solid, green, solid, blue, purpley, solid, blue, solid, and pink, solid, and then the light just turns off. And if you click it again, it turns back to white. I really like the candle flicker and the rotating colors one. Alright, so that's how you use your Desert Mist Diffuser. I think it runs for about 8 to 10 hours when it's full. So it doesn't use a whole lot of essential oil at all. But you're welcome to put as many drops as you like. Some people put 10 in. I just started with a low number because I didn't know how strong it was going to be. And I think I'm sticking to 4. I might put it up to 5 later on. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe for more. Okay, bye guys.